Hi friends, it's really important that we follow standards, safety standards when installing electrical panels like this one. And this is a good example of safety standards being followed. And I want to explain it to you really quickly so you can check into your electrical box and see. I don't recommend you opening them, but if you can get into them safely, you can look here, and if you're on a construction site or something, or at your own house, and you can see what safety practices you should follow. So here, let's take a look. The big deal about electricity is if there's a fault or current, which these things are for, if there's something happens in an electrical receptacle, it'll switch these over current protection devices or switches off. We call them breakers. Sorry, they'll throw off like this. Well, that is all designed to help not shock you if there's a fault or if there's an electric problem in the house, near the bathroom, over the kitchen sink, etc., etc. Well, the important part of that, the safety there, is to have all of the neutral wires and the bonding wires separated. And in this box they are. See, all the neutrals are here, all the AFCI safety wires are here. Arc fault circuit interrupters are here. Measures the difference in the circuit, and it'll shut it off if there's any irregularities. And that's what these buttons are to test. And then these guys are the bonding wires, okay? The reason this is important is because if the bonding wires and the neutral wires are together here, or the bonding wires are together, then the circuit could fault here at the panel. And if it does, and you go to change the switch, flip the switch, you could get shocked because it's a metal panel. Okay, so what we're trying to do with electric safety here is to get the fault to travel back to the main box, which is out there behind me here, outside the wall here. And we don't want it to fault back to this box. So when you try to adjust it, you get punished, and potentially you get stuck to it and you can't get off like I was just a few minutes ago. And you can. If it's a big enough amperage, you can get stuck, and you won't be able to get off, and you can die, and it takes just a small little piece. So, not to scare anybody, most of them are done this way, but there are a few that aren't. I see it maybe 20% of the time. So, that's what to look for. The neutral wires here and the bonding wires here are separated on different bus bars. That's it. Have fun.